back here on Miss Amy, Tom's 67 Grand Prix. He had a little issue with one of the lights. It failed back here. Okay, no problem. So when we did the resto, well, not the full resto, just when we did the wiring, when it was Wes and I, we did basically everything firewall to firewall. And we tested everything back here, said, okay, good, everything works. Leave it be for now. But now, of course, we had an issue, so Scotty and I dig in, and as we dig in, we're finding what? Butt connector shit.
Butt connector, not soldered, crappy tape job, left alone, unwrapped, just...
So I'm gonna replace all these butt connectors with solder.
Yep, and we'll get this all connected.
Do it one at a time.
And then I can get it tucked back up where it belongs.
You can tuck it.
I can tuck it.
Kentucky
tuck it. Yeah, baby.
Oops, excuse me. How's a burrito? Saying hello.
Yes.
All right, so getting her done. Moving forward. And Scotty is going to. We already checked we're having a backup light issue as well. Scotty already checked the bulbs. We're good there. So we're going to check the switch in the console, which is pretty easy to get to. So, digging in. I just gave Scotty some shit about his shoes. Anyway, soldering, prettying stuff up, fixing crap, making it nice.